to Ready Set Demo, and today and for another couple of videos I'm going to show you some Valentine's projects that you can make with maybe some stamps that aren't typically thought of as a Valentine's set. So we'll start off with this project here, and I'm going to use the heart here from With You in Mind. Now let's start out. We're going to do a different colourway, and I'm going to use, and again controversial, Secret C I'm going to use for my Valentine's project, and I'm going to use some designer series paper, and that is from this set here, which is called Country Woods. We've had it, it's been around for quite a long time, but you can pretty much use any textured, natural, neutral kind of designer paper for this project. So different colour again. So what I'm going to do is to start off by tearing, and I want a sort of a torn edge look to this. And I'm going to do I think that'll be all right. We're going to make it a little bit narrower. So I'm just tearing all around to start off with. Okay, now I need to stamp my hearts. So as I said, this comes from With You in Mind. This little heart, and I'm going to stamp it in Secret C, and let's do 3 of those. And then we're going to tear again. Tear this one now a little bit further back. So we've got maybe this one a little bit less. So I fiddled around with it last time after I'd stamped as well. You could tear the pieces out first and then stamp, but you're just going for kind of quite a rough look on this. So next we've got our layers, and these layers are I've gone 4 3/4 inches by 2.5 inches for my colour. Here we used the Cherry Cobbler, and of course Secret C here. And for our white layer, we're 1/4 inch smaller, so 2 1/4 by 4 1/2. And these will fit wherever you are in the world, and whatever cardstock sizes you are using, these will still layer up just fine. So those sizes, just use it on a regular card base size, whether you're using US letter or A4. Okay, so there's our little panel, and I'm going to decide which way round. Should we have the slightly, we'll have the slightly narrower one in the middle and the slightly fatter ones at the edge. So the first 2 I'm going to glue on. Let's pop that down. And we're trying to more or less line them up, but it doesn't really matter. And then I'm going to take some linen thread, and you could use whatever colour you like. You could use the regular linen thread or a coloured linen thread, which we have had in the catalogue recently. Did that carry over? I don't know. I hope it did, because I have enjoyed having a colour options. We had Old Olive and early Espresso. So let me know in the comments below if you know whether that has carried over. Okay, so we've got our 2 little ones underneath, and then we're going to pop this one up on top. So that will hold the twine down in the middle as well. Stop that moving about. Right, now we've got our base card, and we're going to be a little bit creative because, as I said, we don't have, I'm not using actual Valentine's sets, but we're going to do a little bit of creative stuff here. Now, I'm going to use a marker. Now, these markers, I think we're still keeping one of them. We're keeping a journaling one, which I'm assuming is going to be about the same as this. But any black marker will do. Just make sure it's not an alcohol-based one because we don't want this to bleed through. I find it easier to draw lines towards me, so I'm turning the card as I do it. And I want this to be a little bit wiggly. I'm going about 1/4 of an inch in, but you could make it a bit nearer the edge. And then I'm starting again. And so a little bit of wiggle in there because we want it to look hand drawn. And it just gives us a little border or frame. If you don't like that look, then just put some more layers in. Put another layer perhaps of your Secret C, and then a white layer. It just is a little bit of a fun thing to do. We're going to position this here, and then we want the greeting along the bottom. Now, again, if you have a Valentine's greeting, please feel free to go ahead and stamp that. I'm going to use my Secret C marker, and this is one of our newer markers. This one was the older one, so bit of an experiment here, because this one is a little bit more chunky. There we go. It's a little bit chunkier. Depends whether you like that look or not. I prefer the finer one. So we're going to need to maybe have a little experiment with some different markers for our projects. This could absolutely all have been done in black as well, and then we can use that black marker for everything. As I say, if you've got some Valentine's stamp, you could use that. And there we go. We're just going to pop that up onto dimensionals to finish the project. So thank you for visiting. I hope you've enjoyed this project. Remember, we've got 2 more videos with Valentine's projects. So do make sure that you're subscribed here on YouTube, or pop over and visit us at Ready Set Demo. The links are down below. Thanks for coming today. Bye.